Virgos, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of May 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use these oracle decks. Virgos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading, Virgos. Towards the final days of April, stepping into May 2021, we have the Page of Wands. It's quite likely that you were very creative, but I think in this period there was also overwork for you. Maybe hard work was in store for you. I think some of you were also desiring clarity with respect to some decisions. This could have also made you a bit restless. Perhaps you were looking for some kind of direction. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Two of Wands. Again, discussions are quite likely on how you should proceed in life. Maybe you should also work on improving your relationship with your mother. Basically, you're someone who desires solutions to the problems that are there at hand. Finances could also create issues this month. Maybe you should take assistance for whoever is willing to help you. Interestingly, this month there'll also be reunions. I think many of you could also declutter your living space. Influences for the month, we have the Ace of Swords. I think you are somebody who wants to cut through the obstacles. There are also going to be changes in your schedule. I think time is also at a premium. Nevertheless, you're somebody who will take the initiative. You will cut through the obstacles and you should make the most of the energy that is there this month. I think to get out of a messy situation, you should also take the help of an acquaintance. The first 10 days of the month, we have the Three of Swords. This is definitely going to be a challenging period for you. It's going to be a very hectic period. You have to sail with the changes. Maybe you are going to be somebody who desires more time. The excess work could also leave you exasperated. It could also tell on your health. I think you should also weigh your words carefully because you're somebody who could blow hot and cold. Furthermore, I think Virgos, you should not spill the beans. Maybe something has been said to you in strict confidence, so there could be a breach of trust here. You should also be transparent with respect to financial matters. Interestingly, strange people could also re-enter your life this period. While working also, there could be those times when you find the work environment very stifling. Maybe you want to put in your papers. Basically, it is money that motivates you. Besides, there are rivals who want to sabotage your interests. I think these threats could weigh you down. Nevertheless, this month you are being called upon to use your intellect to good effect. As you notice, we do have a lot of swords in your reading. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th May for Virgos, we have the Hierophant card. Spiritual insight is quite likely. Maybe many of you could also be having dreams, or there could also be a trance-like situation which could make you understand that whatever problems that you are encountering in this month are all spiritual problems. There'll also be those days when you will be overworked and irritable. Possibly you're also somebody who is sleep deprived. I think ideally, Virgos, you should be mindful of your health this month. At work, you are somebody who's going to promote your talents. Maybe your family members could also propose a work idea which was already there in your head, but then you have not acted upon it. I think this is the time when you should deliberate on those ideas. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think it's the time to talk about your achievements or whatever you have done to improve the working conditions. Your superior is also somebody who could ask you to review the task of another person whom you regard as a rival. That is why you're going to sidestep the issue. Besides, you think that people walk all over you or they take advantage of your efficiency and then they walk away with the plaudits. Basically, other staff members expect you to do the groundwork. This month, you should also brace yourself because there could be a change of plans and this could be the handiwork of your rival. Sometimes you feel it's so oppressive and that you're being bullied. Towards 21st to 31st May, we have the Four of Swords. This is a time when you will want to retreat. Maybe you should take a backseat and review your decisions, or you should think of another way to carry out your plans. There could also be calls for an interview, but then you may be undecided. Nevertheless, in this period, you'll be quite productive. You will carry out with the task and you'll be able to achieve a lot. What is best or what is most pleasing is that you don't have to take the help or assistance of a rival. Jealousy and envy is also something which you should guard against, Virgos. Maybe the best way to combat envy is to keep your cards close to your chest rather than verbalize them. Virgos, with respect to your love life, we have the card Ladybug Luck. I also have this card Cupid, Love and Desire. Possibly somebody could be playing Cupid or playing matchmaker. Interestingly, single Virgos, you can expect marriage proposals, but then these are early days. There are going to be those admirers who are trying very hard to impress you. Maybe there are going to be those people who are going to be younger than you as well, or there could be an age difference. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you're going to cyberstalk this person. Possibly you could want to decode his thoughts on the social media. Maybe you're yearning for this person, that is why the separation is hard for you to digest, or it's giving you a sense of loss as well. Sometimes you feel that this person is not going to reciprocate your feelings. Incidentally, many of you could also be reminded of your past lovers this month. Those of you who are in an on-again, off-again relationship, I think you could be forced to communicate with this person. Maybe you're a bit tentative, but then somebody around you, maybe a family member, could ask you to seek his help and assistance with respect to a family problem. Sometimes you feel it's always you who takes the initiative with respect to this connection. Maybe you want him to reciprocate. Nevertheless, I think luck is on your side with respect to your connection. Those of you who are romancing, I think you should be prepared because there could be brief conversation. I think the signs are also there around you, which could confirm that this relationship is going to go the distance. There's also going to be opposition to your love life. Maybe your sibling or a loved one could ask you to call off this romance, but then you will do as you please. Married Virgos, I think you should avoid disagreements or differences with your partner. Maybe a third person is also meddling in your marital life. Sometimes your spouse could also be a bit irked because he feels that you're inattentive to his needs. Nonetheless, I think you should be pleased because your partner is somebody who's going to make financial gains this month. However, money issues could also crop up on account of medical bills or medical issues. That is why your spouse could question you on the same. In the end, everything works out, but then you will wonder why your spouse has to question you all the time. In case you're in an unhappy connection, I think you should not put up with abuse or violence of any kind. Virgo parents, I think there could be disagreements with your partner over how your children are being raised. Last but not the least, we also have this card rising above. Certainly, Virgos, you're being called upon to tap into your potential, take that leap of faith. Maybe you're being called upon to expand and tap into your potential and make your life extraordinary. I think, like the lotus, you're unconcerned about the mud or the muck around you. You're going to shine bright like a diamond, and this in itself is very empowering. I hope Virgos you liked your reading. This is Star with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.